नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया एक्सप्रेस न्यूज चैनल में शालिनी। आप सभी को नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूं। आप सभी का दिन मंगलमय हो। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आसपास की कुछ खास खबरों के साथ। GS message to its leadership, employees, officers, retirees, and pensioners on the structured meeting with UII management at Chennai on the 18th of June 2025. Today, the leadership of GIEAIA participated in a structured meeting with the United India Insurance (UII) management at Chennai, where a wide range of vital issues concerning employees, retirees, and the overall health of the organization were discussed. The key issues raised are as follows. Key issues discussed: overall health of the company, management's approach towards marketing it, investments, estates, and other corporate-level operations. Recognition of GIEAIA as a stakeholder. Wage revision at par with LIC. Uniform family pension at 30%. Increase in employer contribution in NPS to 14%. Adequate recruitment in Class 1, 3 and IV in marketing personnel. Opposition to outsourcing in contractual appointments. Amendments in Class 3 and IV promotion policy. Rectification of stagnation increment anomalies for promotion from assistant to senior assistant effective from the 1st of August 2017 instead of the 1st of April 2023. Conduct of promotion test for assistant cadre under Para 15. Introduction of running scales for all cadres. Resolution of anomalies from last wage revision. Improvement in non-core benefits. Restoration of graduation increments for all eligible staff. Utilization of corporate buffer under group Mediclaim policy. Estate and establishment matters, including retention of Ro Raipur under Para 13 in Western Zone. Timely conduct of promotion exercises for Class 3 and IV and ensuring one-time promotions. Lease accommodation for all Class 3 and IV employees. Speedy disposal of compassionate appointments. Settlement of gratuity at the regional office level. Timely payment of terminal dues to retirees. Functioning of nodal officers for retirees. Foreclosure of housing loans at row level. Resolution of PF legacy issues. Overtime compensation for those who attended office on 29th, 30th and 31st. Abolition of medical certificate requirement for sick leave up to 3 days. Training for Class 3 and IV staff at NIA, Pune. Improvements in staff Mediclaim policy by removing all caps and sublimits. Mobile reimbursement for Class 3 and IV. Relocation of Dehradun Road to a better location. Improvements in LTS, including air travel for Class 3 and IV, and increased eligible kilometers. Follow-up on previous meeting, dated the 9th of July 2024. We also raised follow-up issues regarding the action taken report of the previous structured meeting and urged the management to take serious action on the following. SWOT analysis and overall health review of the company. Opposition to unilateral closures or mergers. Publicity of UII products and government social schemes. Timely audit of TPAs. Regular updating of SC, ST, OBC rosters. Formation of women's cells across all locations. Time-bound grievance redressal at all levels. Management's response. The UII management was positive and responsive, assuring us of their full cooperation. They agreed to share the minutes of the meeting at the earliest. Conduct a full-day structured meeting at head office in the near future. Hold quarterly meetings with unions and associations at the row level. Ensure transparency and strengthen internal democracy across all levels. Additional note: following the structured meeting, a separate meeting of GIEAIA office bearers, Class 1, 3 and IV, GIRA, and other activists based in Chennai was held at the GIEAIA Southern Zone office. The meeting was conducted with great enthusiasm and unity. Comradely yours, Trilok Singh, General Secretary, GIEAIA.